Welcome. In front of me I have the Sony A6400, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with just a quick look at the camera itself. So anyway, I'll just get straight into it. So we have some TIPA World Award for 2019, so this camera isn't new. And I don't think it's like even new in general, but I could be wrong. There we go. No, let's flip it the correct way. So here we have manuals, just a lot of paperwork. And then below that we have our, I think this is a UK plug. Could be wrong though. I don't exactly remember. Then we get the European one. Strap. Maybe a little bit brighter so it's a bit easier to see. So yeah, we have a strap right here. I think this is a battery. No, or not. Just gonna set it to the side. Okay, this is the battery. We got a... what is this disgusting plug? Come on. So we have micro USB to USB. And obviously the camera itself. There we go. And a little viewfinder, protection, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's it. Now, first time holding this camera, it feels actually really premium. Have a flip-up display. It doesn't seem like you can do much with it in terms of positioning, because I can't flip it out the different way. So it would be good if you're planning to maybe record from top. Though, yep. So if you're recording from the top down like I am right here, this would be a pretty good one because you can flip the display up. So yeah, you can also flip it the other way. It's going to be a little bit higher. But if you're gonna have it facing your way, yeah, not really much you can do right here, because as you can see, this is kind of just being blocked. So yeah, but for that we do have what I would presume is a little adapter. No. Oh, okay. So this is for charging. You would basically plug in the barrel plug right here, connect it to the outlet, and then run this to the camera for charging. Is it right here? So we have HDMI here. So you can plug in HDMI, that's pretty good. We have the micro USB. Oh, it's called multi for some reason, and we have also a mic in, and accessory for like flashlight or flash or whatever. And right here we have the existing flash. Let's pop in the battery quickly. Nope, it seems like it's dead, so I ain't gonna be turning it on. Now we do have a removable lens right here, so just press the button, twist it out, and there we go. this lens seems like it's all just digital right here, considering spinning it doesn't like zoom in or out or anything like that, so either this is just for focus or I have no clue. So here we have a zoom in and out, so yeah, it's digital based on this kind of look. So yeah, anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.